Oh jeez, bright as hell. Oh, I closed the garage. Closed that mug on accident. But now I'm going to Fry's. See if I can get me oh, what's the name? Nah, I'm building a PC. So I'm gonna scout some of the stuff today. Headed to Fry's Electronics right now. Almost there. About to see what they have in stock. Last time they didn't have anything. Well, the graphics card I wanted, the guy in line in front of me, he had the last one. I was so hurt. Alright, see what's cracking. This is the location that looks like a motherfucking Indiana Jones, motherfucking hidden Lost of the Hidden Tomb Temple, motherfucking Nickelodeon shit. So I just don't know what kind of case I want. I want like a cold little case, like a little glass one like this. Yo, is this just freestanding? That'd be cold too. This white one's pretty cold. I mean, do these even matter though, truthfully? Like, I don't think it's like cosmetic, isn't it? Oh shit, look at this motherfucking stormtrooper. It's kind of overwhelming in this B. They got everything you could possibly need. From cases to the cooling to the motherfucking... I don't even know. I'm about to just walk out this B. I don't even know what I'm looking for. So many different motherboards. Jesus Christ. I'll just let me get this computer right here. I'll take it. This shit is clean. This mouse is clean too. This one too. Type my paper on this shit. Enter my card info. Expiration. Get it on this mug. Damn. Okay, bumping. He's playing that Dilla, son. What the fuck is this? I don't know about that. The fuck? What is this? I'm about to walk in this mug. What the fuck? Yo, they got everything in this mug. Give me a Dyson. Oh, this one work? Oh, this shit tight. Here we go. This is more of my realm. The music section with all the mics and stuff. Yeah, here we go. I do need a... What's this? Banana plug. I don't need no banana plugs though. I mean XLR to TRS. Or another instrument cable. You never really know what you need until you see it. Fucking sucks in audio. Dang. It's fucked up. For the super low. It's disrespectful. But then this one costs $1 more. But just American History, $14.99. We got Barney and Barbie. Hook the corner. You know I had to. Oh yeah. Look at this Ernie Ball, son. This Music Man. Oh. Dang, they don't got no strats in here. No kind of strat love. There's a telly right there. That shit clean right there. I want to play it, but I'm scared. Because someone else is going to come in and just start shredding all over my face. Always fucking happens. Might try out this Les Paul though. This shit looks nice. That wasn't really much success, but I'll make another video when I actually buy everything, because I'm gonna buy a bunch of stuff. Today was kind of just a scouting day to see what my options are. I filmed some of it, but I was talking to a lot of the guys in Fry's, and got some pretty good feedback and pricing. They helped me. I'm looking to spend somewhere around like $1,200 maybe, and that's not including monitors, because I want to go for either 2 full-size like 25-inch monitors, or maybe 3 just regular like 22-inch monitors. See how that works. I'm not really going into it for the gaming. I mean, it'll be fun because a lot of my homies game on PCs, so it'd be fun to do, but that's not necessarily what I'm doing it for. As far as my music goes, my laptop's pretty much keeping up, but I want to just be prepared and have like a workstation that can do it all, and then my laptop will be, my mobile type thing that I'll be able to take everywhere with me. I have 2 hard drives right now, and then I'm gonna get another, basically like another one that's going to act like basically the mother of all of it, because I'm gonna put it's probably gonna be about 2 terabytes, maybe even 3 terabytes, so I'm gonna have everything on it. And then I have 2 I feel like I'm talking loud. Then I'm gonna have 2 I already have 2 1 terabyte ones each. Yeah, I felt like I was screaming, my bad. But yeah, so that was cool. I'll make another video when I buy it all and put it all together and everything, and it'll be pretty legit.